always wait for an entry condition. That's what I urge you guys in my every single video. It's our hard-earned money. We don't want to throw this money in the garbage. So that's why I always urge you to wait for an entry condition to met before you enter the market. Do not enter the market just anywhere else. I'm here to help you. I'm here to point it out to you guys. As you can see in the last, I've been giving signal to you guys on natural gas, and you are following me since last week. You have seen how we did our analysis on natural gas, and which gave us a nice profit. So all I want from you guys, just like my videos, subscribe to my channel. It will really help me in the YouTube algorithm, and it will keep me going. It also motivates me to make more videos for you guys. So let's quickly check silver now. Right now the silver is below 50 and 20 EMAs, which means the market is bearish. I'll be looking for sell trades only. If you see here, I can see a head and shoulder pattern here, and it has also broken the neckline. So right now I'm expecting the market to go all the way towards this level, which is a daily level of resistance, which is a daily level of support, or this level. I'll be looking for buy entries at this level here. So once we reach this level, I'll keep you guys updated with the entry conditions. So once we reach this level, I'll be looking for a double top entries, or I'll be looking for an engulfer and bearish engulfer entries, which I'll point out once we reach this level. So right now the market is clearly bearish, and I can see the market reach towards this level here, and we have a valid head and shoulder pattern here as well, and the market has already broken the neckline. Might retest this neckline here. Once we reach this level and we have an entry condition, I will give you guys a shout once we reach this level. My bias is short for this market, but that doesn't mean the analysis I'm giving you right now is going to be exactly the same. Do not just take my words for it. Also do your own analysis. That's my opinion about the market. That's what I think the market would react. I hope you get some value out of this video, and if you have any questions regarding trading or anything else, just leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can also follow me on my Telegram channel, where I send daily trade ideas. I hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video.